One of the most overlooked upgrades you can put in your vehicle is a dash cam. It's also a total game changer for your safety. Whether it's an accident, a hit and run, or just something crazy happening on the road. It can protect you during an insurance claim and give you peace of mind while driving on the road. At VIP Auto Accessories, we're your authorized dealer and installer for premium Wolfbox systems. The G900 TriPro is a triple channel system, meaning it records front, rear, and a third camera that can be used for interior or an additional exterior view, like a rear-facing angle, bumper view, or anything else you want to monitor. That makes it perfect for capturing everything around your vehicle or for commercial setups where visibility is limited. The G900 Pro is a great option for everyday drivers, giving you a front and rear recording in a clean, simple setup that still provides all the protection you need on the road. Both of these feature a full replacement rear view mirror with a built-in display so you can watch a live feed from all cameras right from the driver's seat. Both systems come packed full of features, like high-resolution recording, enhanced night vision for low-light conditions, loop recording so you never run out of storage, voice and touch control, an app for easy transfer, viewing, and sharing of recordings, GPS tracking, and on top of that, you also get parking monitoring, so even when your car is sitting, it's still watching. And the biggest thing is we handle the full install. We hardwire everything, tuck all the wiring, and mount it clean so it looks like it came straight from the factory. No dangling cables, no messy setups, leaving you with nothing but a clean dash and peace of mind. You'll leave with a fully operational system ready to go from day one. Daily driving, off-roading, work trucks or commercial vehicles, no matter the application, we've got you covered. We're a verified Wolfbox dealer and installer. That means you get the product and have it installed all in one place. Don't wait until you need it. Head to VIPAutoAccessories.com or head to the link below to schedule your dash cam install today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you never miss out on videos like this. Thanks for watching.